This 2024 primetime Avenger 24 RKSLE is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new primetime is 29 feet 7 inches in length and features Sleep 6, auxiliary battery, microwave, spare tire kit, smoke detector, refrigerator, oven, water heater, awning, slide-out, air conditioning, and 42 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2024 primetime Avenger 24 RKSLE is 5,488 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.